Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are highly welcome. On this channel, I do beauty DIYs. I do protective hairstyles for kids. I show you guys healthy drinks you can drink and keep being healthy. Yes. So please, if today is your first time of stopping by, kindly take some seconds and hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't done so. Please do so you can join the family, okay? So in today's video guys, I'll be showing you guys how you can make this goodness right here. Please, if you have a sister or a brother, in fact, if you have anybody around you who is having shortage of blood or shortage of iron, please do the person well to share this video. If you have any pregnant woman that is lacking iron or lacking blood, share this video with them and they will forever be grateful you did. Yes, so in today's video I'll be showing you guys how you can make this blood tonic, this natural blood tonic. That's what I'll be showing you guys in today's video. So without much talk guys, let's get right into the video. Let me show you the ingredients you will be needing. So here I have dry hibiscus flower. You will be needing dry hibiscus flower for this healthy drink. Here I have dates also. I have wet dates. You can use the wet one or dry one, but if you will be using the dry one, soak it at night, okay? I'll be using orange, and here I have my beetroots. I'll also be using beetroot. Then the next one is ginger. I'll be using ginger for this healthy drink, and also pineapple. You will be needing pineapple also. So the next thing to do is to go ahead and pour in the dry hibiscus flower into a sieve. Then I will shake it as to let all the sand in it to drop out. Once that is done, I will go ahead and rinse it with water. Don't rinse it too much so that you will not wash out all the nutrients. As you can see, as I'm rinsing it, the color is even going out. So rinse it, then after rinsing it, the next thing to do is to go ahead and transfer it into a pot. Once you add it into a pot, then go ahead and add water. The quantity of water you will be adding depends on the quantity of the hibiscus flower you will be using. If you will be using more, add more water. If you will be using less, add less water, okay? So after that, cover it and allow it to boil. As it's boiling, the next thing I'll go ahead and do is to extract my orange juice. And to do that, I'll be using this manual orange juice extractor. If you have a juicer, that will even be easy for you, okay? Just go ahead and use your juicer and extract the orange juice. So that's what I'll be doing. I'll be extracting the orange juice. So I'm done extracting the orange juice and this is what I have. I will set it aside. The next thing to do is to go ahead and peel your pineapple. Wash the pineapple and peel off the skin. So after peeling the pineapple, cut it into pieces and add it into the blender. This process, I'm undergoing this process because I don't have a juicer. Yes, that's why. So now I'll go ahead and add the pineapple peel into the boiling pot. So if you have a juicer, it will be easy for you to extract the orange juice and the pineapple juice. So to blend the pineapple, I'll go ahead and add the orange juice into the blender. This will help me to blend it without adding water. Like I said, if you have a juicer, this will be easy process for you. So I will blend until smooth. Now I'm done blending it. The next thing to do is to go ahead and get a bowl. To sieve the blended pineapple and orange, I will use chiffon cloth to do that. So now I'm done extracting the juice. I'll go ahead and keep it aside. I'll leave it in the fridge to be cooling down. The next thing to do is to go ahead and blend my beetroot. As you all can see, the beetroot is already washed and cut. I'll add it into the blender, add water and blend until smooth. If you have a juicer, you can also use your juicer to extract the juice, okay? So after blending it, I'll go ahead and pour it into a chiffon cloth as to extract the juice. So after extracting the juice, this is what it looks like. I'll also go ahead and set it aside. So now I will check on the boiling pot. As it's boiling, the next thing I'll do is to go ahead and grate in the ginger. So after grating in the ginger, I will give it a mix. After mixing, you cover it and continue cooking. So as it's boiling, the next thing to do here is to go ahead and blend my dates. This is what the wet dates look like. Like I said, if you'll be using the dry one, soak it overnight before using it, okay? So now this date has seed. Before I'll add it into the blender, I'll make sure that I bring out the seed, okay? Before blending, look at the seeds here. So now I'll add water to it and blend. This date will serve as our sugar. I won't be adding sugar to this drink. This is what I'll be using as my sugar. Date is a natural sweetener, so this is what I'll be using as my sweetener. Yes, no sugar. This is our sugar. So add the date and give it a mix. Stir it very well. If you want it to be sweet, like sweet, add more dates, okay? Then if you don't want it so sweet, add little dates. So now it's done, it's off the cooker. The next thing to do is to use a sieve and take off the pineapple peel and some of the hibiscus flower. So once that is done, you get a clean bowl or a pot or a clean pot. Then place your chiffon cloth or anything you will be using to sieve. Pour in everything into the chiffon cloth. So after sieving, this is what we have. Now I'll go ahead and pour in the beetroot juice. This is it. This is the beetroot juice. You go ahead and pour it into the hibiscus juice. Also, you pour in the blended pineapple and orange juice. Then you mix it together. Oh my god, oh my god. Guys, try this. This is so good. This is so good. I can't even say it all. This right here is so good. And after mixing everything together, it's time for you to start transferring it into your clean container. Whichever container you'll be using to store it, make sure that it's very clean, okay? Transfer it into the clean container. Then after that, you put it in the fridge to cool down. This drink is if you want to enjoy this drink, take it when it's chilled. So here, this is what I have. I'll go ahead and put them in the fridge to cool down. So this is the next day, guys. This is one of the bottles I have. I'll go ahead and taste, and I will tell you guys how it is. This is me right here. Woo! Oh my god, did you see the way I'm even rushing it? That's to show you that this is so good, guys. Please, guys, if you've watched to this point, kindly share this video to your beloved ones. Thank you all for watching. Bye.